What's going on, everyone? It's Coma Scarred here, and I know it's been a little bit since we've been on this so far, but here to make another video. Ooh, what can I sell? I'll sell it to. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, if I get the $20 again, I'll be happy. $20? $20? $20? Let's see. There we go. Hacksaws. So that I only have one. Sell some engine oil. I have 8 of these. And by the way, if you guys can hear the music in the back, I'm sorry. When I edit it, I'll say it, and if it is, I'll put the links to the songs in the description. I can't really change that because oh my god, can I just sell it for a decent amount? Easy dubs. Oh, let's just sell that. Let's do another one of these. Easy dub. Okay, I can collect all of those for scrap. Ooh, I have 2. Maybe I'll put that in there. Over here, that sells the charm. Damn. Get these 2 out. Engine is worth. I can get 400 for it. I know I can. Probably if you guys don't want to see this, you guys can just skip ahead. Oh, let's go. 400. What? Okay, I will. Let me just finish this video real quick. Sorry about that. That's my brother. Yeah. Sorry about that. Anyway. Oh yeah, I forgot I have this. Ooh yeah. Wait, I have to buy. If you have a Rams, really? Okay. What's this? By the way, they updated this game since the last time I played. Rich. I probably shouldn't be saying it. Cause then. Oh, good. Good God! Oh my God! How much money is it? Ding! Oh, it's compressing it. I think I can sell that now. Can I sell it? Look, I collect it. Oh yeah, so I was just gonna compress real quick. Come over here. Guess what I don't have? Money. That should try this off. I need some really good. Good. God, we have Got news person, aka Gabriel Thomas. Got some actor that I can't remember the name of, James Perez. And then I can't remember his name. So, oh my god. You rich, can I get a little bit more? Like even, can I get a solid 1 mil? No. I'll take it. Oh dang. Oh, it's only like, okay. Oh, I bought this for 1,000. Damn. I wonder what's in it. That'd be interesting right there. I'm gonna have to link so many songs in the description, just you can actually hear this. Okay. Oh, something's good in it. Ding. Why are they carrying all this? I know. No! No, I need to get this one. Let's go, I got that. And then, I don't know how much rubber's worth. But, come on. Sell that. Damn, the engine's worth a lot, okay. I think my voice really overdone. Anyway, description below. If you do play this game, I want to know how you're doing, and if I should do whatever it's called. If I should do so anyway. About to say something, forgot what I was gonna say. Backup plan. Anyway, so for my one and done series, I have 2 videos coming. One will hopefully be out Wednesday, and one will hopefully be out, I would say, Thursday, cause the end of term is. Oh, I want that. Yes! Oh, that's amazing! But I need to upgrade this. Yes. Oh, I have diamonds? Hey, I can't even move it to the ramp. Ding, that's tough. Can I at least sell things? Please? Oh, I want to sing this song so bad, but I can't. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that's what's coming up on the channel so far. By the way, guys, go over to my friend Coma Arsauce's channel. If you should search up Coma ARZO, you should come up. Spelled exactly how it sounds. Coma ARSOZ. Did I say it was different before? Anyway, go check him out. He has more subscribers than me. But here's the thing. Here is the. What is that? That's a lot. I want to order a lot. Even a Lazda. Oh, is this a Johnny? Oh, it's a John Deere tractor. That's copyright. Anyway, that'll probably. Go over to him, and on his recent video, say upload more. It'll make his day probably. But let me be completely honest. Oh, $32 for an AK-47. That's nice. You have a soccer player, news person, actor. I see why actor needs it. I don't see why. Okay, dang. Oh, I'm almost there for this. Anyway, yeah, go say upload more. Make his day. Even though he's got something to make his day. Cars and stuff. Van? Don't have enough. Anyway, so that'll be it. I need to go do things. Also need to edit this. This will be hopefully going up on a Monday. Edit it today's Saturday. Edit it tomorrow. Make another video for one and done. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.